and bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if
Hi guys, I am going to ShopRite and this weather is not weathering. It is very cold and wow, it is really cold. I hate it. My body's not ready for winter. I do love winter, trust me, get the winter, you know, but I just like not now. I feel like it's very early, but anyways, let's just go to ShopRite. I'm not even going to do a fit check the way I'm not ready mentally, physically, clothically, like I'm not ready. But anyways, let's just head to ShopRite. I'm going to color a few things. The reason let's just go.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me big man wait to be what's it coming? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the boat. I know people die for nothing. What's it coming? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the boat. I know people die for nothing.
It is raining and I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm dark. It is raining and let me show you guys. Like I was saying, it is raining and normally when I come to ShopRite and the weather is like this, I have my umbrella and raincoat. This time and in the meantime I am wearing my Air Force. Water, it is getting in. The water is watering. Can you guys see this grass? Like this is ice. I am holding a plastic. Well, two plastics in one hand. Vlogging. Hi, Chana. Like, let's be honest. You see this thing of vlogging? Like, I am cold, but I prefer vlogging for you guys. No, Chana. I am hella committed. Gia Kotola. Guys, and when I get home, I want to show you what am I wearing underneath these clothes. But still, Kotola, guys. I should have just taken my raincoat. Actually, it's my mom's raincoat and an umbrella and my boots. Once they are not rain boots, they're just normal boots, normal knee-high boots. I should have just taken them because wow, it is cold. Yo. I am what I was saying. What I am dressed in, but I am still feeling the cold. I'm sorry if you may think that the camera is not stable or whatever. I am trying to vlog, so please be with me, guys. Yeah, but it's doing the job. First of all, I'm wearing my khakis. Mona is just jersey and my bra. This is what I wanted to show you guys. I have a tight, which is leggings. I have a jean, but I'm still feeling cold. Like, what did we do? Anyways, just to get a bunch of fast what I bought. And I'm whispering because Mama could say, and I say, let me just show you guys what I bought. The things we do for content, man. I bought my mom these. It's her favorite. I bought this for me and my mom. Now, as we chill, now to have with coffee. I just forgot the name. I bought 2 Albany white. And then my favorites, cheese snacks. And then I bought this. Mr. Maize baby cereal for Liano. I bought tin fish and beans. I bought oil, and then I bought some rama. And that's it. What I'm about to do is plug some water, hot water bottle, pajamas. I'm feeling hella cold. This is not even funny. Like, I remember my exact words when I left was, I am not ready for winter. And as I am pretty sure the clouds in the sky and the weather and geography heard me correct, I am not ready for winter. It is cold. Bye guys, love you. Hi guys. Welcome to yet another day. Today it is the 5th of May. It is a Tuesday. And yeah, let's clean this dining room with moi. I know I've never done this, but I was just moving a couple of things around because that mount wall, my uncle is going to put it on the side. So I figured that I should just shift once because the TV is on the side. So yeah.
Used to be too silent till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not your violent with. Now I'm not your silent like. Takes for better now. Takes for better now. Oh, we can now. Oh, takes my regular. I'm talking like takes for better.
I am done with the dining room, and I wouldn't really say that I'm exhausted, but yeah, I'm tired. I am done, and let me show you how it looks. There are just a couple of things. And also, I'm sure you guys are wondering what is in the Pampers box. It is actually Leano's toys. So we prefer it while it is in the dining room because we know that he can play where we can see him with his toys. So we just put it behind one of the couches. So yeah, let me show you guys. At the corners, there's his chairs, feeding chair, and a walking ring, and then there's a heater, and then there's a toy besides at the corner by the fiber where there's the old TV. And yeah, let me just show you guys.
Baby, you don't know.
I wanted to show you guys the flowers that my brother planted. I don't know from where, but yeah, remember my previous vlog we used flowers from the garden, and yeah, so pandilema bloom, they are so cute. Let me show you. These are the roses. These are so cute. But this one here, oh my gosh, I like this one most. Oh, this is so cute. This is really adorable. Like, it is just so cute, child. Hi guys, I'm back with another one. Besides some ring lighting, and it's been a while, China. So I'm still trying to figure this thing out. Sorry if you find it dun. But I have some good news, and I did not expect this to come. Isabella is actually delivery from my mom, but she never uses them, so my mom got some Isabella products and she already opened it. I'm blaming because I can initially. So let's unbox. I'm excited. My mom was like, you feel excited? I'm like, no, I'm opening now. I'm gonna vlog now. So let's open this. The first thing that you see, child, it's this big paper. You know? I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what is written: Cellular Active Serum Collection, ambassadors only. So this is what is in there. Isabella products. Yeah, the caviar cellular active serum, and the royal jelly cellular active serum. If you check out my vlogs, I actually use the osmotic. Yeah, this is what I have. And then there's this small cute box that is in there. There's this card written in there, and then there is the osmotic. I love the serum. And then there's the exfoliating scrub. There's also the cream mask. If they knew these things is pale. And then they have lip serum. Oh my gosh, like lip serum guys, like I use it to the fullest. There's a lip serum, and lip serum I use it. There's actually 3 of them, and this is how it looks. Let's apply one now. I'm telling you, my lips are shocked right now. But there's like 3 lip serums in here, and I am the happiest girl ever. I mean, look at that. Phone, yo. I put phone I'm still gay. There's like 3 lip serum, and trust me when I say that my lips are shocked with these, like shocked. And then there's something else in here. There's this bag in here, and it is the cutest thing ever. It is the cutest thing ever. Let me try doing this so it can focus on the bag. Yo, this is the bag. The bag has lazy parati, and this is cute. Look at the detail, child. Look at the detail, child. Look at the detail. I'm not really sure if you guys can see that, but tap the details, Sana. And then there's this brown thingy here. I am so happy. I am the happiest girl ever. I am taking this one. Please, I hope my mom says I take it, because yes, I'm saying we, even though it's hers. We once had an Isabella delivery, and there was a bag inside. She just simply told me that I am taking the bag, and I didn't even want to argue. So this one, I am taking it, and I do not even want to argue. But that is all that we have in the Isabella delivery. I am so happy. I'm the happiest girl ever. I don't know why I haven't been vlogging with the ring light. Trust me, I'm gonna use it now. I haven't been using my ring light ever since I got the tripod, because tripod is a winner. But now that I'm seeing the lighting, child, lipstick, lip serum, angna lipstick, angna lip balm, angna zambak, lip serum. Ngiyadlala. Ngicela kahle ukuthi ngicela i-lip serum. Like ngicela ungicele kahle, like ngiyacela. Ithi ngicela i-lip serum. Ungazongicela into omlomo. Yini into omlomo? Ngicela i-lip serum. I have a lip serum, darling. Yeah.
They say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it.
Good morning, everyone. Today it is the 11th of May. It is 10 minutes to 10, and we are heading to ShopRite. Hopefully when we come back, the electricity is supposed to come back around 10:30, since it has been gone at 6 a.m. But yeah, we've taken a bath, so we're now heading to ShopRite. In case the electricity comes back, we'll also be back and we'll have things for breakfast. But now I'm just going to buy a couple of things. So yeah, let's go. I do hope that I will be able to vlog, but you know that, you guys, I show you things when I come back. So yeah, but I mean vlogging, modeling and all of that. So yeah, let's go.
When I make you mad, but maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was Everybody else would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Fatso called me. I'm home. I haven't taken even a shower. Like, I'm tired. I just woke up. It's about, let me check the time. It's about 5 minutes past 3. It's my lazy day. It's been load shedding since 12, and she calls and says she has a surprise. I must come. I think she's lying. No, like, let's be honest. I think she's lying, because to be honest, Yazin, let's just go and see. Haki mama.
Please hug me, Nana.
Oh.
Papa. Please hug me.
Haki.
Oh. It's your mind in your easy.
Takes me better now. Takes me better now. Look, way better now. Oh, it's my regular. I'm talking. Takes me better now. Oh, takes me
I'm not still sure if you guys can hear me, but I am at my sister's place and I haven't been vlogging. I haven't been here in such a long time. Oh well, it's been a while. I haven't been here. So when she came over for Leano's birthday, I thought, why not? I should go visit. I spoke to my mom and she was like, it's okay. I woke up and I finished cleaning, hence I'm looking so crusty like this. But I'm going to take a shower now. I haven't had breakfast, so I prefer going to take a shower first thing in the morning when I'm this side, because when I'm this side, TV's time is TV's time and you get hooked, because like they know how to choose the best movies ever, so yeah, I am now going to take a shower. And yeah, I'm not really sure if I should give you guys a house tour, but You'll just see. You'll just see. You'll just see. And today it is the 10, 11, 12, 13. Today's the 13th of May, and I'm not sure of the time. I'm not even sure what time I woke up, but I am done cleaning. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's a small house. No, it's a comfortable house. It's you know, like it's, yeah, man. 2-bedroom, bathroom, dining room, kitchen. You know, just like a 2-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room. I'm not really sure if I should give you guys a house tour, but yeah. Anyways, let me go take a shower and y'all. I'm not even sure if I'm going to vlog anything this weekend, but I am going to upload though on Sunday. I'm planning to upload on Sunday, and yeah. I do have to mention that I did not bring anything for my skincare, and my skin is screaming. Bon. Yo, like my skin is screaming. No ways, my skin is screaming. My skin is screaming. What? I didn't bring anything for the skincare. Those things are a lot. I'm just going to water my face with some gloves, trust me. And yeah, let me take a shower. Bye.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million.
What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl ride the whip. I know people.
Guys, I just wanted to make a closing for this vlog. I have to say that I don't think it'll have an intro, Kasana. I do not. But what I do know is that this week I have been recording 2 vlogs, one of which it is Leano's birthday vlog that is already uploaded, and then the second one it's my weekly vlog. And I just decided to do this, you know, just for him. When he grows up he gets to see this. And also please do check it out. I mean, my Leano's birthday vlog, please show love to that. And also I just wanted to say thank you for making it this far. If you can see this part of the video, thank you for making it this far. I know I never do closings of any video. Well, I once did, but now I'm no longer. I guess that is about it. So I will be editing and closing it off, and I will be editing while we are on our way home because we'll be heading back home now. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video until this part. Please do not forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but